Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to reorder items within a group on Monday.com. First, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where you want to reorder items within a group. Find the group where you want to reorder items. Groups are typically represented by columns with headers that categorize tasks or items. If you're not already in board views, switch to it. This view allows you to see all the items within a group as cards that can be reordered. Once in board view, you should see all the items within the group displayed as cards. To reorder the items, simply click and hold on the card you want to move, then drag it to the desired position within the group. Release the mouse button to drop the card into its new position. You should see the other cards adjust accordingly to accommodate the newly reordered item. Take a moment to verify that the items have been reordered as desired. You can scroll through the group to ensure that the items are now in the correct sequence. Your changes are automatically saved as you reorder the items. There is no need to explicitly save them. And that's it. You have successfully reordered items within a group on Monday.com. Repeat these steps as needed to rearrange items within the groups on your board. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.